Hey guys, welcome to Budget Bike Build channel. It has finally arrived, the Brand X dropper post that I ordered from Chain Reaction for the Raleigh Tokul. So let's get this thing opened up and hopefully I got the right thing. This is the first time I've had anything to do with a dropper post. Never used one before, never even seen one before, so other than on videos. So there's Mr. Nosy. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so I got it installed. Still got to clip this. I need to actually get some better cable cutters because what I have I don't think is going to cut it clean, and I don't want to have a frayed wire on the end. So I still got to cut that, but it's installed. Essentially you just take out the little plug if it's internal like mine, and then you feed the wire up in there. There's a little grommet on the end of it that you slip into the hook on the bottom of the dropper post. And then when you feed the wire up through here, you have to feed it through the... There are other videos if you want to know how to install it. That's what I had to do. I had to look up installation video because I hate reading instructions. But you just feed the wire through there, and then there's a little little Allen key bolt thing that goes through this hole, and you have to feed it through the hole in the little bolt, and then you tighten it down, and then you well, you'll see it work. There's not much room in here still, even though I have it. There it is, working.